Welcome to How to Play Canasta for 2 players. To play, you will need 2 decks of cards with a total of 4 jokers. Each player is dealt 15 cards, 1 card at a time. The remaining deck is placed into the middle. The top card of the remaining deck is flipped face up to start a discard pile. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 5,000 points or more. Points are scored by melding cards of the same rank together. A meld has to have at least 3 cards to be started. The jokers and twos are wild cards. These cards can be added to any meld, but a meld can never have more wild cards than cards of the actual number. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other player. The non-dealer is first to play. If a player is dealt a red 3, or if a red 3 is ever drawn, it is immediately played on the table and a card is drawn to replace it. Diana plays her red 3 down and draws a new card. Each turn begins with a draw. A player is allowed to draw from the discard pile if the top card is used to create a meld or add to an existing meld. Or a player can choose to draw the top 2 cards from the deck. Diana chooses to draw the top 2 cards from the deck. Diana will begin placing melds. At least 3 cards are needed to begin a meld. The initial melds can include a wild card as long as there are not more wild cards than natural cards. A player's turn ends with a card being discarded. Diana discards the 7 to end her turn. Play moves to Wade. Wade is able to create a meld with the top card on the discard pile and draws it. When a player draws from the discard pile, the player will take all the cards from the discard pile into their hand. Wade will start additional melds with the 9s and queens. Wade will then discard an 8 to end his turn. Players will continue to take turns drawing, melding, and discarding. Skipping ahead to the end of a round, once a player has at least 2 completed canastas, they can go out. A completed canasta has at least 7 cards. Diana has a completed canasta in jacks and has just completed a canasta in kings. To end a round and go out, a player must clear their hand by discarding their last card. Once a player goes out, the round is over and the scoring begins. Each card has a value. Each ace is worth 20 points. Kings down to 8s are 10 points each. 7s down to 4s are 5 points each. Each 2 is worth 20 points. Each joker is worth 50 points. And each black 3 is worth 5 points. The players will add up the card point value for all the cards melded. Wade has a total of 270 card points melded. Diana has a total of 410 card points melded. The player left with cards in their hand will subtract those card values from their score. Wade will lose 30 points for the cards left in his hand. A meld of at least 7 cards is considered a canasta. If the canasta has used no wild cards, it is a natural canasta. If wild cards were used, it is known as a mixed canasta. Neither player has a natural canasta. Wade has 1 mixed canasta and Diana has 2 mixed canastas. A red 3 is worth 100 points unless you get all 4 red 3s. Diana has 1 red 3 for 100 points. Being the player to go out is worth 100 points. Diana gets another 100 points for going out. The scores for the round are calculated. The first player with 5,000 points or more wins the game. The first melds a player lays down must have a minimum card value. When a player has under 1,500 points for the game, the first melds must be at least 50 card points. When a player gets over 1,500 game points, the first meld card points go up to 90. And when a player gets over 3,000 game points, the first meld card points go up to 120. If a player discards a wild card, it freezes the discard pile. This means that a discard can only be drawn if the player is able to create a natural meld with it. If you enjoyed learning how to play 2-player canasta and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.